Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Edu Information Knowledge is Life. In this video we are going to see what are the basic concepts of C programming language. In previous video we have also seen some of the basic concept, but further part we have included in this video. Now let us start. So in this video we are going to see character set, constants, variables, and the last one is keywords. So let's see one by one. So what is character set? So it can be any alphabet, it can be any special symbol, or it can be any digit. So alphabet is having set of capital alphabets or small alphabets. After that, digit. We all are aware with digits from 0 to 9. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, special symbols. So these are the symbols which are present over our keyboard. So they are all included in this symbol. Then constant. So basically any entity that does not change is called as a constant. Consider this is a memory which is divided into number of parts. Those parts are created by rows and columns, and intersection of any row and column is called as a cell, which is used to store value. So constant is having primary constant or secondary constant. So primary constants are integer, real, then character. Secondary constants are those which are made up of using primary constants. So array, pointer, structure, union, and enum are called as secondary constants. So next one is, there are some rules while constructing integer constants. So an integer constant must have at least one digit. It must not have decimal point. It can be either positive or negative. If no sign precedes an integer constant, it is assumed to be positive. No commas or blanks are allowed within an integer constant. The allowable range of integer constant is -32768 to 32,767. So these are the rules which are used for constructing integer constant. Next one is, what is real constant? Real constant are also called as floating point constant. They are of two types, factorial constant or exponential constant. So they are respectively called as factorial form of real constant and exponential form of real constant. Exponential form is denoted with the help of e letter. If constant having e, then before e the whole part is called as mantissa, and after part of that e is called as exponent. After that, there are some rules for constructing factorial of real constant. A real constant must have at least one digit. It must have decimal point. It can be either positive or negative. If no sign precedes an integer constant, it is assumed to be positive. No commas or blanks are allowed within a real constant. Rules of constructing exponential real constant. The mantissa part and the exponential part should be separated by letter E. The mantissa part may have positive or negative sign. Default sign of mantissa part is positive. The exponent must have at least one digit, which must be positive or negative integer. Default sign is positive. Range of real constant expressed in exponential form is -3.4 E38 to 3.4 E38 and so on. So there are rules for constructing character constant also. So a character constant is a single alphabet, a single digit, or single special symbol enclosed within single inverted commas. Both the inverted commas should be point to the left one. For example, A is valid character constant, whereas A is not. So here is the one which is, this inverted comma is pointing to the left. This is the valid one, and this is pointing to each other. This is not valid one. So in this way you can represent any character. The maximum length of the character can be one character only. After that, so suppose this is a cell in memory. Name assigned is X. So this is the variable name. So 20 is the value which is variable, and that variable is called as an entity that may vary during program execution. So rules while constructing variable names: any combination of 1 to 31 alphabet digit or underscores. The first character is in variable name must be an alphabet or underscore. No commas or blanks are allowed within a variable name. No special symbols other than an underscore, as in gross salary, can be used in a variable name. So keywords. Basically, the word whose meaning has already explained to the C compiler. The keyword cannot be used as variable name. It is also called as reserved word. There are 32 keywords are present in our C language. So these are auto, break, case, character, constant, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, sign, size of, static, structure, switch, type definition, union, unsigned, void, volatile, while. So these are the 32 keywords which are reserved for our C language. Thank you so much. I hope these are the basic concepts and the rules which are used for constructing variables, constants